High temps are causing problems for drivers too, and summer is just beginning. KMBC9's Brian Johnson is getting you prepared with ways to keep your car's air conditioning working its best. Brian.
Yeah, one of the things that you can do is actually wash off the grill. Low pressure water, of course. You want to get the water inside to hit the coil. Getting that dust and those bugs off will actually help the car perform better for the engine and the air conditioning inside. It's during this extreme heat that things can break. At Christian Brothers Automotive in Independence.
This particular one actually caught a rock through the grill.
Owner Tim Porter says June through August is the hardest time for your car.
Heat does tend to do more damage on the cars than the cold does.
It puts a lot of stress on the engine and all the rubber pieces that connect everything. Right now they're fixing a lot of air conditioners.
Refrigerant tanks come in 30-pound tanks, and we're going through about one tank a week right now.
Normally they use 30 pounds in 3 or 4 months.
We can deal with it when it's 72 degrees outside not having our AC, but when it gets to 100 degrees, it kind of comes time to we want to get something taken care of.
Expert tip: to get the coolest air inside your car's cabin, set your system to recirculate rather than draw fresh hot air from outside the car.
The air that's already been cooled down, it will cool it down again rather than trying to cool the 100-degree air outside down.
There's really little maintenance.
Remote start on most of the cars works pretty good to kind of get a head start on that.
Miles on the highway count the same as stop-and-go traffic.
If you're driving through the town or if you're driving on the highway, the air conditioner's running the same number of hours.
Porter says there's no need to flush the air conditioner system.
Probably the biggest thing that people don't realize is the engine heat will affect your air conditioner heat.
If the engine gets too hot, it won't cool the cabin as well. Normal routine maintenance will help you have the coolest ride. In Independence, Brian Johnson, KMBC 9 News.
And if your car's AC does not seem to be working correctly, you can get it checked. Most new cars don't have any issues until they are at least 5 to 10 years old.